Hello, thank you for watching the Kitchen Tips video. Today I will show you how to create beautiful and incredibly simple designs for eggs. In just a few minutes, the results will achieve the quality of a true 5-star restaurant. Let's put it into practice together. I have some hard-boiled eggs. Now, let's peel them all clean. Eggs are one of the most popular foods in the world. Almost every cuisine uses eggs because they are easy to buy and readily available in most markets and supermarkets. Easy to prepare: boiled, fried, steamed, baked, used in cakes, sauces, etc. But few people know that eggs can also be used as a garnish. After peeling the eggs, I will choose the ones that are harder. I cut a thin slice from the bottom. This small step helps the egg stand upright on the table without rolling. Next, I kept the slice of egg I had just cut and carefully used a knife to make 2 small cuts to create the rabbit's ears. Next, I made a small cut on the top of the egg. Then gently insert the newly created ear into the center. Immediately, the shape of a small rabbit began to appear. For the nose part, I used a toothpick to gently poke a small hole in the front of the egg. Next, I cut a piece of carrot into very small, short, toothpick-sized strips. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Then carefully attach it to the hole you just poked. The prominent orange nose makes the rabbit's face much more lively. Next, I made the eyes. I continued by using a toothpick to create 2 small symmetrical holes in the front. Gently attach 2 whole black peppercorns. With just a few simple details, the rabbit began to have very adorable expressions. Finally, there's the tail. I cut a small piece from the egg white and made a small slit in the back of the rabbit's body. Then gently attach this egg piece. And so the egg rabbit was finished. Next, I moved on to the second egg and created another adorable character. First, I cut a thin slice along the belly of the egg to create a flat surface that will help it sit more stably. Next, I took the slice of egg I had just cut off and gently scooped out the yolk inside. From the egg white, I skillfully used a knife to cut and shape it into 2 small ears. Next, I made a small cut at the top of the egg and carefully attached the ears in place. It's so great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. As before, I cut a small strip of carrot to make the nose. For the eyes, I used a toothpick to poke 2 small symmetrical holes. Next, I took 2 whole black peppercorns and carefully placed them in the eye sockets. With just a few simple details, a face has become much more lifelike. Then use a toothpick to poke holes around the nose area. I sliced the cucumber into very thin strips. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Then gently attach them on either side to create the characteristic long whiskers. And so, an adorable little mouse emerged from an ordinary boiled egg. Finally, I will create the third animal shape from a simple boiled egg. First, I cut a thin slice from the bottom of the egg so that it could stand upright on the plate without tipping over. I made a small cut on the top of the egg. Next, I took a slice of carrot and carefully used a knife to cut small serrated lines along the edge. With just a few simple cuts, the carrot piece begins to resemble a cute little rooster's comb. Then gently attach the crust into place. When I got to the beak part, I used a toothpick to mark the position along the egg. I cut a small piece of carrot and made 2 cuts to create the characteristic pointed beak shape. It's so great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then gently attach the beak to the front. For the face, I used a toothpick to create 2 small, symmetrical holes. Next, I took 2 whole black peppercorns and carefully attached them to create the eyes. In just a few minutes, an adorable chick appeared with a striking red comb, pretty round eyes, and a cute little beak. And so we have completed 3 cute animal shapes from boiled eggs: a rabbit, a mouse, and a chick. Now I'm going to make a simple boiled egg salad to enjoy with the eggs I just prepared. First, I take an avocado, cut it in half, remove the pit, and slice it into bite-sized pieces. Avocado has a smooth, creamy texture and a naturally rich flavor, making it a perfect complement to boiled eggs. After cutting the butter into small pieces, put the butter in a bowl. Next up is the cucumber. I slice it into small pieces or chunks. Next, I dice the tomatoes. Take a few small lettuce leaves and put them in a large bowl. I cut the lemon in half and took 1 half. Squeeze out the lemon juice. Add a little salt, mustard, mayonnaise. Then, I gently mixed everything together so that the sauce evenly coated the vegetables. The green of the avocado and lettuce, the red of the tomatoes, and the cool green of the cucumber make the salad look very fresh and appealing. Finally, I put the salad on a plate. I cut the boiled eggs into wedges. I arranged the egg wedges on top to complete the dish. The result was a colorful salad with fresh vegetables, creamy avocado, and delicious boiled egg wedges on top. A simple, easy-to-make dish, perfect for breakfast, a light snack, or days when you want a lighter meal. So today, we've created some adorable animal shapes from eggs, and it's incredibly simple, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is my motivation to continue sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.